and I'll give you a tour of my boat. So that's what the boat looks like from up front. The air conditioner blows air into here. This is a table that basically covers up the box for the AC. If you're using VR goggles, be sitting down or hang on to something, because I'm going to move the camera now. So this is what it looks like from on the table. And you can see all the boats and stuff around the boatyard. Okay, again, for people wearing VR goggles, I'm about to move the camera again.
And I'm going to bring you the very best of the 80s every Saturday from 7 until midnight.
Oh.
99.3.
I forgot it was so messy in here, I would have cleaned up. Okay, I'm going to move the camera again. This is the back cabin where all the charge controllers for the solar is. There's also a freezer, a refrigerator, microwave. All my tools and related stuff goes in there. Oh yeah, and a battery charger for my cordless drills and other cordless tools. Yeah, we're gonna have to make more video like this once the boat is put back together. Because, wow. Okay, and I guess this concludes your 360-degree tour of the inside of the Carver for now.